my friends, today we are cooking up some bison steaks. Let's get right into it. This is what we got. And we're going to cook these up today on the grill. And we're going to have a few other things to go along with it. So yes, we're doing a cooking video. Oh boy. So we're going to go ahead and start putting these on the grill right now. I've already marinated them overnight in just a steak rub. So let's go ahead and put them on the grill. Here we are. They're little. Going to give them a good sear on one side. I'm going to cook them for about 160 is what they say. I'll probably pull them around 140 and let them finish cooking. I'll bring it back. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've seared both sides now. I didn't show that, but trust me, I seared both sides and I slowed it down. And now we're going to go ahead and cook up some shiitake mushrooms and some pea pods. Let's go ahead and prepare those. This is what we got. Some sugar snap peas and a thing of shiitake mushrooms. So what I go ahead and do is get these all dumped out. And what I do is I just cut the ends off and then wash them. And I'll go through that and do that. We'll be right back. Okay, we've gone ahead and cut up the pea pods. Now we're going to put a little bit of butter in a frying pan and we're going to fry them up. Now I got those started, I'll go ahead and get the mushrooms ready. And then check our steaks. Okay, we've gone ahead and got them. Our steaks are already off and they're resting. So now we're going to go ahead and get the mushrooms ready and we'll be ready to eat shortly. Now I like to have my mushrooms and my peas just to have just a little bit of a snap to them when they're cooked. I don't like them overly cooked, but I don't like them where they're still raw either. Like right in the middle for me. I couldn't tell you where. It's just a visual feel thing for me for cooking these. I really like my mushrooms, as you can tell, but trying to eat healthy. Let's go ahead and cut into these and see what they look like. Looks like medium to me. Get this finished cooked up and we'll be ready to eat. Well, there she is, all cooked up. Now let's go ahead and try that bison. Okay, here we go. A nice end piece right here. Let's give it a shot. That is very good. I will definitely get bison again, that's for damn sure. Sorry, darn sure. But this is really, really good. Sorry about the clock. It's a little more chewier than beef. I don't taste any game at all, but this is very good. I will definitely get bison again. I know I have those bison beef jerky, but to me, honestly, I've tried a couple of those since, and I've even made a couple of videos. You'll probably never see them. I don't know if it's me, but jerky seems to all taste the same, but I'm not a jerky connoisseur at all. So, but actually having bison is really, really good. And there is a few other things I want to try. I want to try ostrich. I've not tried that yet. A few other things. Got a couple on the way coming up, probably through the winter. So you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. And if you ever get a chance, try some bison. I'll see you next time.